So where are we walking to?
We're going the food truck festival.
Cool. Let's see how many food trucks. I heard there's over 40 food trucks there.
And what the food there.
Yeah. Now I'm not too hungry, but Annabelle, you're shaking. You're so hungry.
Yeah.
You're ready to eat. So tell me if you see something you want.
Okay.
Funnel cakes, fried Oreos. Kettle corn. What do you see? People walking, skating. A lot of lemonade, a lot of drinks. Waffle bar. Gourmet foods from the island. Lumpia?
Because who's the owner, my friend, the Facebook, the boyfriend.
Boyfriend, they have lumpia right here?
Yeah.
What do they have? Pork tacos. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. Do you actually know her or just from Facebook?
Only like one time I meet her, so I don't know much.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes she comments to my Facebook.
Oh, okay. Beer ticket $5. Bud Light. Texas taters, funnel cake sundae. There's a dog, yeah. Wow. Lumpia, crab rangoons, Asian donuts, Papa's plate. Annabelle is very determined to eat at Papa's Lumpia Hut. Since we last talked to you, it's been how long have you been waiting in this line?
I think 1 hour or 2 hours.
And just as we're getting here, the lights on the outside all shut off. So supposedly, I guess they're using propane or something in there so they can still cook.
Like that?
Yes, hopefully that's what we're saying. But I've gone to a different truck and ate.
Yeah,
I finished my food, drank it, threw it all away.
You finish right away.
While you're having, because she's never had this lumpia thing, and Pat said it's her first time.
No, I tried it before.
And there is a one over there that sells lumpia Shanghai with no line right there.
What?
That one over there has lumpia Shanghai right over there. Lumpia?
There's another lumpia still?
Right there. Yeah, Island Grill has lumpia. Gas in the generator now, so they have light now. Okay, pretend you're Chef Ramsay. Go in there and talk with him. No, you're...
No.
Papa's Lumpia Hut.
Oh my god, first time we were waiting longer.
Yeah, I'm shocked you're still here.
Because I didn't have choices.
There's a lot of food here. Oh my gosh. Liliana's doing good though, because we gave her a phone and a place to sit, so she can stay here all day. outlasted the people in front of you.
Yeah. Because they only like she want lumpia.
She wanted lumpia. I told her about another one down the street there. So she got that. Okay, Papa's plate.
Regular or spicy crab?
Regular or spicy do you want?
Spicy for
The crab.
spicy.
Spicy. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Try this on. And I actually do Sprite. Sprite too. One of the reasons I think it's taking so long is what I saw is very slow boy is making the ragoon, the crab ragoon, one by one, putting the crab meat in it, putting there, and then frying them. In a restaurant, you'll see them make hundreds of them at a time, but he's slowly making as they order, frying the club ragoon. So that could be taking a lot of our time. Okay, thank you. Okay, here's your meal. It's gonna be the best ever. They were making it fresh, so it should all be hot. Good. It's not gonna be like, it's not mass produced, so it should be good. Kumusta? Say kumusta po. Okay, let's see if Mama likes it.
We're waiting 2 hours.
2 hours. And she was hungry when we got here.
Like the pancit is weird. Like a dry.
Dry? Really?
Like I think because they cook it. Not like a dry like a bad.
Not bad. Oh, okay.
Because I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Lord. Get it.
Oh.
My tummy aching.
Oh.
I think mommy is hungry.
You're hungry. Okay, wow, those look like big ones.
Oh,
Yeah, right off the fryer.
different sauce.
Different sauce, yeah.
It's good.
It's good, yeah. Vegetable in yours, yeah.
I don't know what the vegetable, but it's good.
See when you eat it compared to the other Filipino restaurants.
The lumpia is okay.
It's what?
Lumpia is okay.
Lumpia is okay.
I will be back.
For the
But the
lumpia.
pancit,
Not doing the pancit.
because pancit like we are always going the party
Oh
before.
yeah.
So we know now what the another taste.
Yeah, we always have that.
Yeah. But here is different.
That's different. You like that. Now we gotta try the club ragoon, and we'll see if that is a success. You don't usually eat that, so I don't know
I don't
if
know
you even
how to
like
eat.
it. Bite it. It's like crispy, and then like almost like a cream cheese type, but it's crab.
Like that.
Yeah, just bite it. I like them. I don't know theirs, but you have the
I
spicy
think
kind.
you like it. It's good.
Good? Yeah. So you like that too?
Spicy.
Yeah, you You got the spicy kind. That's good. That's thumbs up for that. Annabelle's happy with the crab ragoon. So that part she likes. Concept, it's just okay. Nothing special. You like the lump lumpia and the club crab ragoon.